What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got my dog CJ hanging out over here. Nick.
Yeah, I'm
working on
a piece of shit.
What?
Oh.
He's not working on the piece of shit today, guys. Look at that. What? Nick is actually working on something good today. Hold on, let me get it to focus.
You got a 35.
Damn, Nick, okay. Nick said he gonna be GTR master by the time he done here at Monster.
That's like what?
But that's
50,
really me.
35 you worked on?
So we're back on this thing. It has a core support and it has a radiator and it still doesn't run because I don't have a computer. So I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna be doing up rev. If not, I got a AEM Infinity that I can probably put in there out of the Turbo R32. And speaking of turbos, I think I'm gonna just turbo it. So we got two there. We got another one here. We're gonna figure something out. We're gonna chop, weld, repeat, make it happen. I think I'm gonna do that, pour it out or something, and make it happen. Since it's not running, I might as well start building a turbo kit. So one of these turbos is gonna end up on there. We're gonna figure out. We're gonna try to make it. It's not a budget build anymore. I already said it's not a budget build no more, Nick.
This man said budget build.
It's not a budget build anymore. Bruh, FDF costs more than the car.
No shit.
Okay, so the car wasn't that expensive.
So what is the budget for the budget build?
The budget bill's over. That shit's total. Thanks, Haitian. So we on the new version, which is gonna get a turbo, and it doesn't have a budget.
Oh, there's no budget? Oh, it's the no budget.
Cause Haitian's paying for it.
I'll tag.
Haitian's paying for it.
Budget list car.
Okay, so I think this turbo is gonna be the turbo of choice. We're gonna turn this cast turbo into a V-band turbo, T3 into, 3-inch V-band, because it makes things easier. We're gonna squeeze the turbo right up here, so I'm gonna get to fabbing right now, because I don't even care. I don't even understand what I'm finna do, but I'm finna do what I'm finna do, because I can do what I can. So, let's get to it. It still doesn't run. I don't know why I'm turboing it. It still doesn't run. That homemade V-band China turbo, you know what I'm saying? I got a slightly modified China turbo. Made it with a grinder. I mean, what is this one? A sanding disc? A cutting grinder and China. Motherfuckers are like, why is this over here using China turbo? So I can do this. Woo. Just like that, we got a V-band turbo. I need some ported, but I'll just kind of chain for that. It'd be good. Yeah. Look at that. Look like it came that way.
You look like something.
Motherfucker brand new.
You look like what's going over there.
It's my first time. It's so much easier to do with a cheap turbo. Because if I was doing this with an expensive turbo, I'd be hurting. I'll stop making my own turbo and sell them. China band. Nick, you wanna go?
Yeah.
Can you get me a sanding disc too?
Sanding disc?
Yeah. 80 grit's fine. Not at all. Yeah, man, I'm just gonna blend it in there some. You guys look at this fine conversion done by Lee. You know, it's great. I just should have ported it before I welded it. You know, I skipped a step, so it got a little thing there, but I think it's gonna be fine. I'm not really too worried about it. Now we gotta cut the back off here and weld a V-band on there, so we can have a V-band housing inlet and outlet, like they sell, like the brand name guys sell. These are just, you know, it's a copy. It's a copy. They'll be surprised which color this thing is. Wow, you welded that? This China cast is amazing how soft it is. It's the best soft cast you can buy. I wouldn't say that money can buy because it was cheap as hell. Fabulous. Fabulous. Fucking fabulous, guys. Pal ain't got nothing on me. Pal makes back housings, that's why. Oh shit. Alright, so you guys see I already welded up the, I made a V-band housing. Then I welded a pipe that I'm gonna start making, you know, like a manifold to come to the turbo. So let me show you what I got. I'm not used to, you know, showing y'all everything because I'm always like in a rush. So I'm making a little jig to hold the turbo where it is. I just kind of tacked it there and tacked it here. And now I can take off the front end and start making the tubing to go to the back to link up to both banks of the, I didn't even realize I was zoomed in, both banks, and merge it to come to the big one that's gonna come under the turbo. So we'll have a 2.5 left and right coming in and merge into a 3, coming to the bottom of the turbo. Exhaust is gonna go right here and go there. I know it doesn't look like a lot of space, but it's been done a lot of times, so I know I can make it happen. Then the intercooler piping is gonna run over the top, cut across the front of the engine and down and around into the intercooler and back, right up into there. Haven't fully decided what I'm gonna do to wastegate, but I'm thinking right under here where the pipe's gonna be passing the compressor, I'm gonna just, you know, put a 44 tile or precision right there and dump it on the ground. I kind of wanted to dump it out the hood so I could have some kind of fireworks, but it's probably not gonna happen. So let's pull off the front end and we can start making this manifold. Okay, I'm tired, but it's update time before I leave tonight. So it's like 1:30, almost 2 o'clock, but I think I have the main part of the manifold done, which is also the hardest part. So let me show y'all what I got. So I took the front end off and I'm just using, don't mind the different colors, I'm literally using whatever I have later on at the shop that I'm not using. Trying to keep AC, so I have to go around the bottom, in between the frame and the oil pan and the block. Oh, and boom. Now this is just gonna be a merge collector here that joins that side. Let me grab the light. That side and this side. So I'm gonna use the down pipes I had before. I'm gonna chop those up and bring this side over to that side over here, and then do some kind of loop-de-doo right there and make it merge and go back in there right at that V-band. Still got to take everything out and weld it. It's all tacked up together. I gotta make some braces because it does have to move that way a little bit to stay off the steering shaft, but it's actually a little bit easier than I thought, to be honest. So far so good, but I think I'm about to call it a night there. Head home and get some sleep. Not worried about this until probably tomorrow afternoon or something. Oh, but the holidays is coming, so that means I get to spend more time on this thing. Figured out what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna do up rev. I'm gonna order all the stuff tomorrow, have it overnight, so that way we can start this thing up hopefully by this weekend, because I can definitely be done with all the fabric by this weekend. This is literally like the hardest part to do on this car, so I'll update y'all tomorrow. Well, welcome back to what we doing. We was oh yeah, I was turbo in the G. What you going? Take your hoodie off? Y'all want me to show your hoodie on there? Welcome back. We got some progress on the turbo kit going on here. I think I was at this point last night, but we are way further now. The pipe's all welded up. The V-band's on there. And I made the crossover pipe already. All used parts, man. It's costing me $0.99 and only a bunch of time. That's what it's costing me. So look at this thing. It's pretty amazing. Look at that. It's a little bit ugly, but you'll never see this. All you're gonna hear is a turbo. And while we at it, Nick clocked in sometime today this afternoon. Right, Nick?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nick clocked in. And he's gonna start pulling the subframe out of this. Matter of fact, he already got the subframe out because we started recording late. I know. You guys really wanted to see Nick pull the subframe out of this, but I didn't really care. So it's already out. He's gonna start pulling that one. And then we go and try to bolt the turbo kit together. I ordered Rev Up Rev. Should be on its way here. Hopefully I get it tomorrow, because I had it overnighted. I get it tomorrow. Hopefully we can be starting this thing turbocharged tomorrow. No front end, but at least turbocharged. So we're gonna make some progress tonight. What?
This one don't go high enough.
Okay, so of course, you know, I didn't record much because Nick didn't grab the camera. And
I had an appointment.
the red car is now gone. The subframe's in here. The suspension's in here. The welded diff's in here. The front coil is here. No FDF yet because it's bent. Thanks, Haitian. The rear what? The rear wheel's over there. So we're gonna pop wheels on our non-running car and lower it down and see what she look like. We ain't never seen what a G look like before. I'm pretty tired. I'm beat, so I'm not gonna. I don't think I'm doing no more welding tonight. I think I quit on welding tonight. So we're gonna drop the car down, see what she look like, and I think I'm gonna call it a night. Yeah. Let's see what this thing look like. We can't even get off the lift. That's good. We don't need to get off the lift.
That's good. Y'all get the idea.
Look at this thing, man.
Y'all get the idea.
Hey, budget bill G's back in a more expensive form.
The budget just got higher.
The budget got higher. It's still stuck on the lift, so it's high. But then, damn, this thing look like it's gonna be low.
It's gonna be low.
Low. It looks good though. I'm feeling the black a little bit, but black's really not my thing.
Black is
So,
gonna be here for a short time.
I still got to make the downpipe now and intercooler pipe in, oil line, oil drain, but we'll save that for another video because like I said, I'm tired. So we'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to go over there, get CJ a hand, see if he can get this K out of his car real quick. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Right, Nick? Is that good enough?
Next video, let's go.
All right, later.
Good night, guys. No.